Zombie apocalypse.
Rain, fire!
Wait, hold on. What exactly is happening here? Let me give you some context. The one on the left is Iron Man, and he is currently fighting Thanos for the Infinity Stones. Feeling that his back is up against the wall, Thanos has ordered an orbital strike, sacrificing his men. One of these projectiles is heading straight towards Iron Man, and he has to use related rates in order to dodge it. Iron Man quickly discovers that he's worked with this kind of plasma before. He knows that the initial blast area is 25 pi, and that it has a radius that expands at 5 meters per second. In order to dodge the blast, he has to figure out the rate at which the area is changing. And to do that, you take the circle area formula and you differentiate both sides, and you end up with d over dt times a equals pi r squared times d over dt, and that simplifies to dA over dt equals 2 pi r times dr over dt. Now he can start plugging in values, but first he has to find the radius of the initial blast. To find r, he uses the area of a circle equation and plugs in 25 pi, which was the area of the initial blast area, and then he solves for r, which is 5. So now he can plug in values. He knows that dr over dt is equal to the 5 meters per second because that is the rate at which radius expands. He ends up with dA over dt equals 2 pi times 5 times 5. This calculation tells Iron Man that the area is expanding at a rate of 50 pi, or 157.08 meters squared per second. Because he's worked with this plasma before, Iron Man knows that this blast will expand for 3 seconds before disappearing. His first calculation told him that it expands for 157.08 meters squared for every 1 second. To see how far the area would expand for 3 seconds, he simply multiplies 157.08 meters squared times 3, which gives him a grand total of 471.24 meters squared.
I am inevitable.
I am Iron